welcome back guys. So if you guys are having any trouble with your gel coat on your kayaks looking really tired and sun faded, or even just a carbon boat where the clear coat is just diminished and just looks really bad, I'm going to be showing you guys how to polish it back up and get it looking absolutely mint. It really isn't that hard either. I mean, I've never done it before and the results speak for themselves. It really turned out really good on this boat that I've just finished. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing next is just removing all this tape all over the boat and these little attachments from the pump and the number holder at the back there, just so that when we finish polishing there's not unpolished surfaces and, you know, residue left behind from the tape. I'm using a razor and then just some spirits just to remove the extra glue left behind from the tape. So so once you've gone and taken off all the excess tape and, you know, all the little attachments and, you know, all of that stuff, gotten all the adhesive off, you know, cleaned it up nicely, you want to go and give it a wash just to go and get all the surface dust off. You know, birds might have pooped on there, you might have these little drops from water and stuff like that, so you want to try and get most of that stuff off. I'm just going to use some soapy water and a wash mitt and a microfiber towel just to go and give it a once off. Then you want to rinse it with some water, you know, just clean it off again, and then you can go and start polishing it with your polishing compound and polishing discs of your choice. So yeah. So I've just gone to move my boat over here into the shade because you don't really want to be polishing in direct sunlight. It just dries up too quick and yeah, it's just not good for the polish. So today I'm using this Meguiars Ultimate Compound. I've already done a test spot over here and it worked out really well. And then I'm just pairing that up with these foam pads that I bought off Amazon. I'll link them down below if you want to pick up these two items. And then I also just got a microfiber towel just to wipe off the excess compound once I'm done. Okay, so I finished polishing off the whole entire deck. I think it was about 2-3 days ago. So yeah, the whole thing's polished or compounded. I still need to polish it and then put a wax on it. And then now I'm starting the hull. This is carbon and it's pretty scratched up. There's quite a few deep scratches that I don't think I'm going to get out with compounding. So I think if you wanted to get these deeper scratches out, you'd have to waterpaper down your whole boat from like 1000, 1500, maybe even going up to like 2000, 3000 grit, then compounding it and then polishing it after that if you want to get it like pristine. I'm not too fussed about that, so I'm just going to leave it as is, just get a nice sheen on it like you see over here. So I'm going to get at it, finish off the rest of the deck with compounding, you know, carrying on with the foam pad. Okay, so this side I'm going to be putting the ceramic wax on, and then that side I won't do anything to it. I'll leave it unpolished, and then we'll go and put some water over here and see if it actually really makes a difference, if you can spot a difference with the amount of shine it has, and you know, just in general, if it improves the look of the boat and even the performance of the paint and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I'll let this dry for about, I think it's an hour and a half now. Not really sure how long you actually need to leave it for. I mean, some guys do it overnight, 24 hours, 48 hours. So I've just done it for 2 hours here. I'm gonna go and wipe it off with microfiber towel. And then we should be able to see a difference like straight away. And then I'll pour some water over it and see if it like really does make a difference. Okay, so in person I could personally see a difference when I poured the water on here, from the point where I put the ceramic wax on to the point where I didn't put it on. The water just beat it off a lot better, and I mean, knowing that it's on there, it gives it more protection, and it honestly just helps it out a lot more. So I'm gonna finish off the rest of the boat, and then the next step and the last step finally is to just go and put on the last pieces. I'm fortunate enough to have a 3D printer, so I went ahead and printed off some plugs and stuff, and a custom badge for my boat where there's been a hole. So I'll get all of that stuff put on, and then we're done. So yeah, let's go. So guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'll be linking all the products that I use down in the description below, so if you're gonna buy any of that, please use my links down below. And if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and leave me a comment if you need help with anything. I'll be glad to help you guys out and let you know. If you guys ask anything, I'll reply. So yeah.